I was still fairly new to selling cakes, and a customer contacted me for a custom cake. I gave her my price, made the cake, and when she came to pick it up, she loved it. But then she said something I wasn't expecting. She told me, "You're charging way too little for this cake. There are people who would happily pay 300 for something like this." I remember thinking, 300 for my cake? At that point, I was pricing mostly based on what I thought people would be willing to pay. And that's the big mistake. Sometimes when you're new, you look at your own work and think, I'm still learning. I'm just baking from home. Will anyone really pay that much? But your customer isn't looking at it that way. They're looking at the design, the customization, the time, the experience, and the fact that you're creating something specifically for their celebration. That conversation changed something for me. It made me realize, don't price your cake based on what you would personally pay for it. Your customer may value it very differently. That doesn't mean you should randomly charge 300 for every cake. Your price still needs to make sense based on your ingredients, time, overhead, skill level, design, and market. But don't automatically lower your price because you think it is too expensive. Know what your work actually costs before deciding what it's worth. And that brings us to the question almost every new baker struggles with. How much should you charge for your cakes? That's exactly what I have broken down in another video. The link is in the description. Please do check it out. You will have a better idea on what should actually go into your price, what beginners commonly forget, and how to stop guessing every time someone asks, how much for this cake? If you enjoyed this story, give it a like and subscribe to join me for more real cake business stories, lessons, and tips. I'll see you in the next video.